As you know, the nationwide JR Pass raised its prices dramatically last year. Now the 14-day pass costs 80,000 yen. In this video, we'll introduce you to some other regional JR Pass options offered by JR East that can save you over 25% on long-distance travel in Tokyo, the Kanto region, and even Osaka or Kyoto. Stay tuned till the end to see what and how these hidden passes can save you over 20,000 yen. Let's dive in and find the best ones for your trip. If you're flying into Narita Airport and need a quick way to get to the city, the next Tokyo round-trip ticket is your perfect solution. For just 5,000 yen, this round-trip ticket takes you from Narita Airport to popular destinations like Tokyo, Shibuya, Shinagawa, Shinjuku, Yokohama. The regular round-trip fare for the NEXC from Narita Airport is between 6,140 yen and 8,740 yen. With this ticket, you only pay 5,000 yen, saving 1,140 to 3,740 yen. And the best part? It's not just about the ride. With your NEX ticket, you also get free transfers to designated JR local train routes within the area, making it a great deal. To grab your NEX ticket, head to the JR ticket counters at Narita Airport or any JR East Travel Service Center. Remember, it's valid for 14 days from the purchase date, so it's only good for those who want to visit Japan for 14 days, and the arrival and departure points are Tokyo Narita Airport. If you're flying into Haneda Airport, check out this video about the transport options from Haneda Airport to Tokyo City Center. Next, there's a great option for unlimited travel within the city, the JR Tokyo Metropolitan Area Pass. With this pass, you get unlimited rides on all JR lines within Tokyo's 23 wards, perfect for sightseeing or getting around the city. The pass is valid for 1 day, but keep in mind it doesn't cover limited express trains or the Shinkansen. Now, let's talk about the price. For adults, it costs 760 yen, and for kids, it's just 380 yen. Since a single ride starts at 140 yen, you'll get your money's worth if you take 6 rides or more on JR trains within the city. Listen, this pass doesn't cover certain stations like Kichijoji Station, Mitaka Station, or Maihama Station, so plan accordingly if you're headed there. Here's a quick look at the covered areas to make sure your destinations fall within the 23 wards of Tokyo. If you need a 1-day ticket, which allows you to take JR, Tokyo Metro, and Toei Subway on the same day, this is the perfect pass, Tokyo 1-day ticket. It is called Tokyo 1-day ticket on the JR East website, formerly called Tokyo Tour ticket. It is also called Tokyo Round Trip ticket on the Tokyo Metro website, and Tokyo Free Pass on the Toei Subway website. Although the names differ, they all refer to the same ticket. This ticket gives you unlimited rides within 1 day on JR lines across the 23 wards of Tokyo, all Tokyo Metro lines, Toei Subway lines, Toei buses, and even the Toden Arakawa line and Nippori Toneri line. Sounds amazing, right? You can grab this Tokyo 1-day ticket for just 1,600 yen for adults and 800 yen for kids aged 6 to 12. It's perfect for travelers who plan on hopping around the city all day long. Just a heads up, it's valid only for the day you purchase it. The ticket covers most of Tokyo's public transport, but not the Shinkansen or limited express trains, and it doesn't cover stations like Kichijoji Station, Mitaka Station, or Maihama Station. So keep that in mind when planning your trip. Although this ticket seems cost-effective, most attractions in Tokyo are accessible via subway. The Tokyo Metro and Toei Subway 24-hour, 72-hour ticket costs only 800 yen. So unless your total transportation costs on JR, Subway, Toei buses, and Toden Arakawa line exceed 1,600 yen in 1 day, and subway costs are less than 800 yen, it is recommended to use the Tokyo Metro and Toei Subway 24 72-hour ticket instead for sightseeing in Tokyo. Now let's talk about the JR Pass for long-distance travel to and from Tokyo. Looking to explore the best of Japan from Tokyo to Kansai without breaking the bank? The Hokuriku Arch Pass might be your ticket to the ultimate adventure. This pass gives you unlimited rides for 7 consecutive days on some of Japan's most iconic trains. That includes the entire Hokuriku Shinkansen line, the Narita Express to Tokyo, the Tokyo Monorail to Haneda, and even the Haruku Express connecting Kansai Airport to Osaka and Kyoto. Plus, you'll get access to local JR trains in Tokyo, Hokuriku, Osaka, Kyoto, and beyond. It's ideal for tourists planning to travel from Tokyo to Kansai or vice versa, with the Hokuriku Shinkansen line being the centerpiece. All this for 30,000 yen for adults or just 15,000 yen for kids. Just remember, it's valid for 7 days from the activation day, so you'll have plenty of time to explore. Planning to explore Tokyo and its surrounding regions? The JR Tokyo Wide Pass is the ultimate travel companion for those looking to make the most out of their trip. Formerly known as the JR Kanto Area Pass, this updated version offers unlimited travel across an extensive range of trains, including the Tohoku, Joetsu, and Hokuriku Shinkansen, covering destinations like Karuizawa, Nikko, and even Gala Yuzawa Ski Resort during the winter season. You'll also have access to local JR lines, the Tokyo Monorail, and select private railways like the Fujikyu Railway and the Saitama New Urban Transit. At just 15,000 yen for adults and 7,500 yen for children, the pass offers incredible value. Just remember, the pass is valid for 3 consecutive days starting from the activation date. If you're ready to explore the Kanto region with ease and save big, the JR Tokyo Wide Pass is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to check out the full list of eligible routes. Next, if you're planning to explore the stunning region of Eastern Japan, the JR East Pass Tohoku area might just be your best travel companion. With this pass, you get unlimited travel for 5 consecutive days on some of the most scenic and convenient lines in Eastern Japan. You'll get access to all lines of the Tohoku Shinkansen and Okita Shinkansen, making it easier than ever to zip between cities like Sendai, Aomori, and beyond. All this for just 30,000 yen for adults and 15,000 yen for children. Once activated, you've got 5 consecutive days to explore. A quick heads up, this pass doesn't cover the Tokaido Shinkansen between Tokyo and Osaka. If you're heading to historic cities, ski resorts, or scenic rural areas in Niigata and Nagano, the JR East Pass Nagano and Niigata area is the perfect option. For just 27,000 yen for adults and 13,500 yen for kids, you get unlimited rides for 5 consecutive days on some of the most iconic train routes in Japan. This pass covers the Jotsu, Tohoku, and Hokuriku Shinkansen lines, connecting you from Tokyo to places like Niigata and Nagano. Plus, you can hop on JR East Limited Express and regular trains within these areas, including Tokyo's famous monorails and scenic local routes. Now, back to these hidden gems. For this 14-day itinerary, here's the plan. Use the JR East Pass for the Nagano and Niigata area for the first 5 days to travel from Narita Airport to Gala Ski Resort or anywhere along the route. Then, explore Tokyo City Center with the Tokyo Metro and Toei Subway 72-hour ticket for the next 3 days. Finally, grab the Hokuriku Arch Pass for the last 7 days to visit Kyoto and Osaka, and then return to Tokyo. You can also use the same pass to head back to Narita Airport for your departure flight. With this setup, you'll spend just 58,500 yen for a 15-day trip. That's an over 25% cheaper than using the nationwide 14-day JR pass. Want to know more about the Tokyo Metro and Toei Subway 72-hour ticket? Check out this video now.